Okay, so these are going to be seriously the easiest DIYs you've ever done with picture frames. These are some of the new picture frames that I found at the Dollar Tree lately. And all I'm going to do is take this one. Be careful with these because this one's kind of sharp on the edges. But you got to lift up your prongs. And I can't believe I did this with my hands because it actually kind of hurt. I'm not even going to lie. That was in my way, so I had to pop one off, and then the other one came off, and y'all, I had a devil of a time trying to get that apart, but you got two pieces of glass here. I feel like a speed talker. If I'm talking too fast, I'm sorry. But anywho, I put that one piece in there, back in there. I'm not going to seal it in there or nothing. I bent my frame. Y'all be careful with it. And I'm peeling this off, and it left a sticky sticker mark, and I had a devil of a time getting that off too. I tried alcohol, and it wasn't coming off. I had to really go off camera and scrub it. But anyways, do whatever you gotta do to get your sticky off without scratching your glass. I actually had to use a razor. Okay, so I got these rub-on transfers that are more like stickers, and I got them off Amazon when I searched farmhouse rub-on transfers. They're okay. They're just really shiny. So I'm going to cut out the ones that I want. I know somebody that really likes pigs, so I'm going to give this to her. And I'm just cutting around where I need to put it down. I'm cutting around the ones I want. Y'all, I want the farm fresh up there, and I want the little piggy, and then I don't know. I'm putting this on glass. It's cute when I'm done, but I didn't end up using those. I used something else in the end, but I'm just going to take these off, and y'all, these are seriously like stickers. You don't even got to rub them. I tried to center that where I could put it, and I put my glass on this paper so y'all could kind of see, once you get it on, you're not getting it off. Look, it just peels that sticky off. I had a bubble in it because I wasn't ready, but it smoothed right out, and there you go. There's my farm fresh, and I'm still trying to get the bubble out. I got it out. And then I'm just going to put my pig down, doing the same thing. I mean, I don't know if y'all want to watch me lay this pig on this thing or not, but yeah, there it is. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute. So I actually rubbed that one. Like, why did I have to do that? I don't know. It's just a habit. And then you just peel your sticky back. Now, these are really cute little things. They're tiny, but like I said, they're shiny like stickers. So, seeing as how they're shiny like stickers, I'm going to actually take a sticker. And I got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby, I think. Maybe Dollar Tree, I don't know. But I'm going to take this little pink butterfly and put it right there. So, I didn't want to touch it. Now, they're clear on the outline. So, I'm just going to stick it right there. I thought that was cute. And to me, my head came in there. It needs more. Well, I didn't want to put nothing else on there because the bird was too little and it looked kind of silly. So, I ended up putting it back together, and then I took it apart and put stickers in it. And you'll have to see that in the end because I did it off camera and didn't film it because I'm just a goof like that. But I put that back in on top of the other glass. And then trying to get this back in. I don't know what I was doing. Like, that was right, but I had it wrong. I had to finagle this thing and all kinds of ways to get it right, but I ended up getting it right. Okay, it goes in like that, and then pull it around, and then, yeah. Woo! So anyways, there that is, but I did put some different stuff on it. I thought about those, and I thought, no, it's ugly, don't match. So I took them off, and I just said, well, yeah, maybe less is more. Anyways, I got this frame. These are neat. There's a little tag at the top you got to peel off, and it leaves some sticky. Now, I wanted to take this off, which wasn't even necessary for what I done. So, if you want to get it off, there is sticky back there. But that was kind of dumb. I didn't need to get it off. I'm trying my best to get it off. Just take your paper out of the inside. See that glue back there? That's what I was trying to get off. I ended up not getting it off, so I said forget it. So I got these stickers from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for a while. I'm still trying to craft my stash, but I just had to have these frames. I had to go to the Dollar Tree for something. So this is 3D, and I couldn't figure out where to get the stupid thing off at. There's the pictures underneath of it, but I didn't want to tear it apart. So I'm trying to get it, and then I realized I seen a crack, or I seen a line right there. So I pull it up from there, and then my insides came out, my insides of my windows. So I thought, do I even want them in there? And then I thought, yeah, because your glue blob is there. And I couldn't get it off. So I end up just taking this and sticking the stickers right on it. And then, of course, to cover up the glue blob, I had to put my window back in. So I just used my tweezers and positioned them the best I could, and I had to pull up on the edges. And then when I did that, I realized my little shutter's open. Ain't that cool? That's the coolest part of this whole project right here. Sometimes you just do things and you wonder if y'all... Let me know. I was not happy with the first two, really. Well, the pig was kind of cute. That was hanging down, so I took my Weld Bond, Type Bond, you could use whatever glue you got, Elmer's, School, whatever, and I glued that back down. Y'all, I am going bald. I don't know if you've seen that bald thing pop in there. But anyway, yeah, I couldn't figure out what else to do with this. There's glue or something smudgy in there. I just wasn't happy with it. But anyway, I ended up cleaning it up the best I could with alcohol and a Q-tip, as you see right here. And I cut the bird out of the corner and placed it in the corner. And then it had a bird on top of it, so I took that bird off and put it in the top corner. And I just glued it to it with Fabri-Tac. And now I'm taking off this thing right here, and I couldn't get that off without ripping it. So I cut what I could of it off. I had to cut at an angle trying to get it off. And then I'm going to take a piece of double-sided sticky tape, and I'm simply going to stick it right back down in the other corner opposite of that little bird. There's my double-sided sticky tape. I'm just going to cut a piece off. Well, that wasn't even, and I'm weird about being even. So I'm just going to put it on there, and then I'm going to put it down in that bottom corner. And that is all I'm going to do to this one. And there it is. I would have painted the outside, but it was too much trouble. But you can paint it and... Oh, well, there it is. I'm going to show you again. So now I've got these frames. They're 4x6, and I thought they were so pretty. So I'm taking the plastic off. They're wrapped pretty well. There's two little thin glass. Now, y'all be careful with any of these frames because they are thin glass. Except that one, it's plastic. So I'm going to put it down here so you can see it, and I'm going to clean it because it is disgusting. So you've seen my sheet of transfers. Sorry about that. I might have overvoiced. I don't know. But anyways, I just cut out these transfers. These are new from the Dollar Tree. I found them at one Dollar Tree. And I was like, I had to get them. I can't even find them on their website. So I know there's a little lip that catches this. So I'm just going to put these on there, burnish them down, and then pull my plastic up and put all these on there. Okay, I got frustrated. Oh my goodness, I got that on there and it is just beautiful. Okay, so now there's white in that bird. So this did not work. The chalk paint didn't work. I'll tell you right now, I had to sand it off and then put the paint on because the paint was not sticking. So that's my end result, and it is beautiful. This is my favorite, y'all. This is my favorite. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So there they are. I absolutely love it. You see the stickers I put on the pig. I cut them off another one, the ones on the top, and then I added another little butterfly right there. Those are just little green sprigs. I spruced it up a little. It looked a little sparse. So anyways, then there's that one. It's kind of cute too. It's kind of cute. It's 3D. It's cute. That's my favorite. I absolutely love that one. Let me know which one's your favorite, and I'm sure I'll get a thumbs down. I normally do. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. You're helping my channel to grow. Until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye.